Suzhou Rivmate Import and Export Company Limited is dedicating in riveting industry. We supply full range of blind rivets, rivet nuts, and riveting tools. We have a professional sales team with quick action and good communication. We always realize customers' request carefully and afford our responsibility. We can give professional suggestions on the design and application. We have 2 million USD products in stock. In order to guarantee fast delivery, our products have been approved by many famous distributors in Europe and North America. Our associated factory is IATF 16949 certified. We have 8 sets multi-station machines, 30 sets high-speed mandrel machines, 30 sets imported assembly machines, and 6 sets laser selecting machines. Our annual producing capacity is 400 million pieces structural rivets and 1 billion pieces standard blind rivets and rivet nuts. We have a professional quality team of 30 people. Our laboratory is equipped with tensile and shear machines, hardness testing machine, vision measuring system, thickness testing machine, and salt spray testing machine, so that we can meet the strict requirement of automobile industry. We choose high-quality suppliers as partners. From material selecting, manufacturing, till shipment are all strictly monitored and recorded according to IATF 16949 management system. We follow ISO DIN 7337, IFI 114, HUC, and AVDEL standard. And also we can design and produce according to customer requirement. Not only a supplier, but a reliable partner. This is Rivmate.
And we are working from Rivmate for rivets. We are working from last 6 years and we have a very good experience. The quality, the QC, the development, the vision, all is good. And the quality control is superb. The delivery is superb. Everything is superb. You go ahead with them. Thank you.